Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial for Minecraft 1.15.2 on how to make your own multiplayer server for Minecraft to play with your friends. The only things you'll need in this video is, a browser, so you can download the jar file. You'll need Radmin VPN, which I'll walk you through that as well. I'll walk you through everything, and you'll need Minecraft launcher and an account, or a TC launcher, I think it's called. The thing they use to crack a cracked Minecraft launcher. Anyway, you know what I mean. So I'll show you guys everything you need. Little disclaimer, I've had a lot of people spam my videos about this Radmin VPN thing, so I had to make sure it was actually like a real thing, it was working, and it does. It's pretty good, but these were all bots, so that's why I was kind of fishy. So please stop spamming my channel. Anyway, another note. I did mention I was going to stream later on, starting between 2 days ago and like a week from now, but my motherboard got a back order, so estimate arrival for that is going to be June 19th, which means I'll probably stream within 2 to 3 weeks from now. It sucks, I know, but join the link in the description below for my Discord server, and you'll know whenever I stream. I do games as well, so pretty cool. Anyway, let's get right into the video. Sorry for this long introduction, but let's get right into it. So first of all, we're going to open up our folder here, go to the desktop or wherever you'll remember your Minecraft server. I'll delete this, right click, new folder. We're going to name it MC server or Minecraft server. Name it whatever you want. MC with friends, doesn't matter. All right, now we're done that. Now we're gonna open up Chrome, open up anything to use with whatever you can download with. Go on the internet. Then we're gonna look up for Radmin VPN. You go to radmin-vpn.com, or you can just search out Radmin VPN, and it should be the first site. Looks just like this. So this thing apparently is trusted by 3 million people. Obviously more, that's just what they have it counted. So what you gotta do is just free download, and then download it somewhere where you remember. I'll do it in my downloads folder. Voila, almost done. I already have it installed, so I'm not gonna actually install it. That's just how you download it, and then it'll pop up here. Then you would just double click this and click yes. It will ask you for administrator permissions, and then just follow up all of this stuff, and you'll be fine. I'm not gonna do it just because I already did it, so I don't need to do that. The second thing you'll need is the Minecraft server file. So Minecraft multiplayer server right there. So just do exactly what I just did. Sorry, I kind of went fast. Just type in Minecraft multiplayer server. It should be this, or minecraft.net/download/server right here. And then after you get to here, if you want links to the other ones, I'll make another video for those, but you'll need to go to a different website. So you just want to click download, and then you want to click this underlined area here, just like that. Now put this into your Minecraft server folder that you made. I put mine into desktop, into here, save, and it's done. As you can see, I attempted this video already. Anyway, now we're going to open this, and then we're going to go to our desktop, MC server, and we're going to run that. So it's normal if nothing pops up right now. Only 3 things should. We're going to click EULA. We have to switch this false to true. This means you agree with with this thing here that you have to read. So I'm going to switch that to true, save, exit, and then run it again. So the first time you launch this jar file, it'll take longer than usual, just because it's loading up all your files and all your folders that your server needs. For troubleshoot reasons, I'm going to let you guys know now that I don't know any, like, I know most troubleshoot like error codes. I don't know them all. But if you ever fall into a problem, comment it. I'll try and reply, and I'll try my best to like know the problem. But I know for a lot of you, I couldn't figure out the problem, and I'm sorry for that. But go ahead. I mean, it doesn't hurt to try and get it solved, you know. And if you need extra help, hit me up on Discord. My Discord will be in the description anyway. So That's just if you guys need extra help. But please don't, you know, make sure to follow up this whole video at least twice before you actually add me on Discord, because that's, yeah, it gets kind of annoying when everyone does it. All right, so make sure you don't click X. Don't shut this with Task Manager. Make sure you type in stop. You force close it. It's not gonna end well. I mean, sometimes it does. Most of the time it does, but I know people who do it and it ruins it, and then they ask me for help and I'm like, dude, just follow the video. All right, so quick things, logs. This just logs everything. Your server, world, this is your world. Banned IPs, you can know the people who join your servers, their IP. You can just ban their IP so they can never join on any account. Ban players, ban their players. Ops is admins. You just type in your username right there. Like if I want mine, then I would put Chadzer for me. I'm not gonna do that right now just because, yeah, but that's if you want any admins on your server. User cache, this is everyone's cache that the players, every time a new player joins, it'll show a little line. Don't play with that. It's just for the server. And whitelist, if you have whitelist on, it'll only the people on this list will be able to join your server. And then for the last one that I skipped, server. This is your main area that everyone messes up on. The reason why is because either the IP right here or online mode. So online mode, if you're launching this from the TC launcher or like a Minecraft crack launcher, or you don't have a real Minecraft account, you would set this to false instead of true. So a lot of people have this issue. I mentioned it in an old video. All you have to do is set to false. You won't have a skin. If you set it to false and you have a true account, your skin won't show. What this means is that it's not gonna actually go in the database and say, oh, you have this skin, so I'm gonna make you have this skin. No, you're just gonna be Steve. That's it. You're just gonna be Steve. So, now next thing is you want to open up your Radmin VPN. Just like that. I already have a thing here. Also, don't be scared if anyone sees this IP. They can't do anything. Like, this is a VPN IP, guys. Someone was like, wow, I can hack you now. It's like, what? No, you can't, dude. Come on. Don't be 12 years old and tell me that. Anyway, so what you want to do is click network. Click create new network. Name it whatever you want. Whenever you want. Noob. Thanks. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Great. There you go. So I have this, and now what you would tell your friends to do is go to network, join existing network, private network, and then your name here, and then your password here, and then you would click join, and you would see them. So I'm going to delete that just because I already have one right here. It doesn't matter. You can make a bunch more, as long as they have your IP, you're fine. So you want to right click here, copy IP address, and then you want to paste it right here, right beside server IP. And then if you want to go through all these, go ahead. Like if I want this normal, I'll do normal. If you want to set it to creative, go ahead and set it to creative. Doesn't matter. Name it Caesar's server because we're cool. And yeah. Now you want to hit save. Once you're done that, close it, and then relaunch server, your server.jar. Make sure this is on. If it's not going to work. And make sure your friends have it on as well. Now, I don't know any firewall issues for this as I do for Amachi. I've only tried this once before this video, so I'll try and help you guys if you guys have any issues. Like I'll look up some problems, stuff like that. But yeah, I have no clue. Preparing spawn. Someone has 100%. Right, let's go ahead and launch Minecraft while we wait. You're gonna see a black screen for a second, guys, and I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. It's done, so we can join our server anytime. Wow, so cool. Black screen. There we go. Oh, alright, so we're in our Minecraft here. 1.15.2. You want to click multiplayer. I already have a thing here. I'll delete it. Just whatever. So you can either do direct connect or just add server. Adding server is pretty cool. Name it whatever you want. Oops. We're gonna name it whatever you want. I spelled that wrong. Okay. For server address, tell your friends to put your IPv4, and you can put IPv4 or localhost. Doesn't matter. We're gonna put IPv4. Sorry, IP address. Sorry, I'm used to Hamachi. Sorry. It might take a while for the first time. There we go. Or sometimes it'll say like pinging for like, and it'll show an X here. It's okay. Just if it keeps doing it for that long, just refresh and it'll be fine. We should have like direct access, like 1ms. Yeah. So as you can see, Caesar server popped up. And let's just join, see if it works. All right, so it worked. I'm just gonna let it load a little bit, and there we go. So, little disclaimers again for the end of this video. If you feel any lag or anything like that, oh god, I can't play with that. If you feel any lag or anything like that, make sure to try a batch file. I'll make a new video for that, don't worry. But yeah, they help a lot with RAM and stuff if you, because Minecraft max RAM I think is like 4. I'm not sure. I'm not entirely sure anymore. But it's something low. So yeah, so RAM batch file would increase your RAM and increase performance. So it'd be pretty cool. Anyway, guys, so that's it for this video. I hope this. Sorry for the black screen. I hope this really helped you guys out. If it did, please leave a like, subscribe. If it didn't, ask me a question. I'll try and help you with it. Don't dislike the video just because you don't know. I mean, a lot of people do that. I mean, you can do whatever you want. I won't cry about it, but at least try, right? Try and ask me a question. I can maybe know your issue. If you really can't solve it, go ahead, add me up on Discord. I'll try and help you. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I hope this video helped you guys. I really do, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye!